Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite healthy afternoon snack. I'm at home all day during this crazy period of time, as I'm sure most of you guys are too, and I don't know about you, but I've been finding it way harder to stop myself from reaching for that chocolate bar, reaching for that bag of chips. It's hard not to let my cravings get the better of me. So I've decided to get rid of all the junk in my kitchen cabinets and fill it with healthy snacks. Who says a healthy snack can't be both tasty and addictive? This recipe is super simple. You'll start off by cutting the cauliflower heads into bite-sized pieces. Try to make them as equal in shape as you can. Cauliflower is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, complex B vitamins, and vitamin E. It helps with detoxifying the body and is great for the skin and hair. Cauliflower will boost immunity, prevent obesity, improve brain health, and the list goes on. Throw the pieces into a bowl. Add enough olive oil to thoroughly coat each piece. And then, add in your seasoning. Mix the cauliflower to evenly coat the seasoning. Spread the pieces evenly on a baking sheet and throw it in the air fryer at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook to your desired crispiness. At 5 minutes in, I'll flip the pieces onto the other side to ensure uniform crispiness. I'll set the air fryer for another 5 to 10 minutes. I like to pair the cauliflower with some tahini. It tastes amazing. You can use whatever dip you like best, or they taste great on their own too. Bon appetit!